the Master Dynamic MW08. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the Master Dynamic MW08 True Wireless Earbuds. These are a luxury pair and fall on the higher end price range. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, an assortment of ear tips, USB-C charging cable with a USB adapter, and a canvas pouch. The earbud features 12 hours of listening time, 42 hours with the case. 15 minutes of charge will give you 6 hours. Uses Bluetooth 5.2, aptX AAC SBC codec, 11mm beryllium drivers, ceramic and stainless steel, button controls and an app, active noise cancellation and an ambient feature, and it's IPX5 water resistant. You also have 4 finishes to choose from: black ceramic with a matte black case, white ceramic in a stainless steel case, brown ceramic in a stainless steel case, and blue ceramic with a polished graphite case. Taking a look at the case, it has a stainless finish just like the MW07. It feels very solid and durable, and it's pretty slim. On the front of the case, you have the status LED lights. And on the right side, you'll find the USB-C charge port. The lid opens and closes smoothly, and it's not loose at all. Earbuds are held into place by magnets, and they're easy to grip and remove from the case. The earbuds have the unique shape and look just like the previous models. The inside face has a matte finish with the ear markings. And looking at the outside face, you can see the glossy ceramic finish with the subtle branding. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, microphones, charging contacts, in-ear sensor, LED, and button control. Here they are side by side. Button controls are straightforward. You can toggle playback, calls, and the ANC feature with just a few taps. As mentioned, this has app integration. You can download the M&D Connect app and you have access to basic functions. You can turn the ANC on and off and choose from max ANC or all day ANC. The ambient feature has a couple choices as well. There is a voice setting for better conversations and an aware setting for improving your surroundings. The case comes in at 2.5 by 1 by 1.8 inches. It weighs in at 81 grams and the earbuds come in at 17 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Even if you try, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going. I'm the one.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Master Dynamic MW08 microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls, and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the MW08. They were comfortable and they seated well in my ears. It does take a slight twist down to get them seated properly. I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals and had no issues using them for extended periods of time. I like the button placement on the top, so this won't add pressure when navigating. Build-in quality is exceptional. Both the earbuds and case feel durable. The case has a beautiful stainless steel finish, but it does attract a lot of fingerprints, so you may want to go with a darker shade if that's something that will bother you. I like the ceramic finish as well on the earbuds, and they sit flush once seated in your ears. Button controls are responsive. Battery life is excellent at 12 hours and 42 with the case. I like the app integration, but it only has basic functions. I would have liked to seen some EQ presets or EQ customization. The ANC feature worked well and it cancelled out the surrounding noises as expected. I like the different level options. Ambient Aware picked up the surroundings loud and clear when activated, and this too has 2 levels to choose from. Now when it comes to sound, these won't disappoint in my opinion. Starting off with the bass, it comes in deep, punchy and tight. It's accurate and not overwhelming, and definitely not lacking either. Mids and highs come in crisp and clean, and there's good separation. Vocals and instruments stand out, and I like the wide soundstage. Overall, I feel these are another great pair by Master Dynamic. It does fall in the higher end price range, but definitely worth it if you're looking for earbuds with good sounds and premium materials in build. The Sennheisers have been my favorite in the upper price range, but these definitely rank up there for me. So that is my review of the Master Dynamic MW08 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.